all day, man. No cap. I ain't never lied to you. I don't need it on. It's just know it's on me.
Really mad. We've been that Scott though.
You know it's on me.
Hey, all eyes on me, man. Yes, sir. I need to see eyes right now. I need to see who with it. All year, all eyes been on us, right?
Yes, sir.
It was on Good Morning in America, right?
Yes, sir.
They finna see the greatest show in America today, all right? All right? We was on Prime Video, right? We got prime time, all right? Okay? College game day. They out here. You feel me? They ain't believing us, but guess what? Now they reposting. You feel me? Today we finna show them what it is. 60 minutes, we on that too. We got 60 minutes today. What you gonna do with your 60 minutes, 9-7? Hey, what you gonna do with your 60 minutes? I know what we finna do with our 60 minutes. We gonna turn this 60 minutes into the first 48. It's a murder scene. It's a murder scene. We're just an all black. It's a murder scene. Check it out. Last year they ain't give us nothing. They ain't give us nothing. They made us show up playing everything. We had to take it. Yeah, they know we took that shit from them. Tell them go get it back in blood. Yeah, they know we took that shit from them. Go get it back in blood. Y'all with me?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm coming. Hey, it's cool when they do it.
It's a problem when I do it. Fuck 'em.
Hell no, man. Turn that shit up. I said, it's cool when they do it.
It's a problem when I do it. Fuck 'em.
Offense ready.
Hell yeah.
Defense ready.
Hell yeah.
Tigers ready.
Hell yeah.
Hit it.
J-S-U Tigers.
Feeling good today, man. Good weather out here. Yeah, man. What you think the score gonna be?
Jackson State 38, Southern 14.
With the parents of
How
the
many
senior
headaches do you
football
think it's gonna be
Tigers
today? Let's see if
report
you
to
can
the
predict
field
them.
near the
4.5
JSU
headaches
tunnel.
from you alone.
All right, man.
Parents of the senior JSU Tigers
Y'all heard
report
me.
to the field near the JSU tunnel.
Man, they ain't getting back up. Let's make sure we get their ass today. Let's make sure we get their ass by today. You know what I'm saying? Hey, let me get a click clack on 3 and a blur on 6. 1, 2, 3. Click clack, 4, 5, 6. Let's go.